She joins us live from the finish line at the state capitol for the California International Marathon. Good morning, Melinda.
Hey, good morning. Guess where I'm standing? Right here by the finish line. This is where runners are expected to come through any minute now. We're keeping our eyes out because this is quite a marathon, and we understand there should be some crossing that line pretty soon here. I can tell you there's a lot of people out here waiting to greet those runners this morning. They are standing out about here. We have a lot of spectators, and we also have some blankets over yonder, and that's what happens when the runners come across the finish line. They cover them up with these blankets to make sure they're nice and warm. You know, we talked to some earlier, and some say the wind and the rain is a bit of a distraction. Maybe it slowed them down some, so we may have to wait a few more minutes, but these are athletes that have trained for some time, and they're out here in the rain running this marathon right here at the Capitol in Sacramento. Reporting live, I'm Melinda Meza for KCRA 3 Report.
And we hope they trained for all this rain and wind as well.
Absolutely.
KCRA 3 Shara Kina-Shams joins us live now from Folsom along Oak Avenue. Good morning, Sharo.
Yeah, May, good morning. You're seeing the effects of the rain in this shot of me right now because our camera lens got so fogged up and it's looking a little blurry, I'm sure, to you. That's what happens on days like this. I want to show you, though, what it's been like out here at the start of the CIM. Take a look and a listen. So, no question, these runners were enthusiastic at the start, right at 7 a.m., but you know what? They had a lot of challenges out here this morning at that start. Lots of wind, lots of rain, and really the bigger story of the two was the wind. As they got started, you can see in this next piece of video here more runners, lots of ponchos flying around as these runners got their start near the Folsom Dam. The wind really played a role today and a challenge. By the time that the runners were done at the start, they had gotten through. The CIM crews out here were busy basically cleaning up that entire road, ponchos, water bottles everywhere after that wind. That's what those runners faced. That's what the rest of Folsom is facing, of course, just like all of Northern California. It is wet and soggy out here, and while the wind has died down since I last spoke to you about an hour ago, there still are, at times, those strong gusts that Eileen has been telling us about. May, back to you.
All right, Sharo, thank you.